Hi, my name's Trisha. How are you going today? In this short, honest review of Linke.To, I'm going to show you how it works and why I think it is by far the best software on the market right now. I've been really happy with it. I've just recently purchased it only a couple of weeks ago, and I've been playing around with it, and it is so easy. I've created a bunch of new links that look really good and tidy, and I've been able to share them with clients, and it's been consistent, which looks professional from my end and from their end. So when you arrive at the Link website, Linke.To website, you will be able to see this landing page, short URLs that notify you when a link buzz and more. There's a few different features on it. The main features that I talk about are the simplicity of use, how quick it is, how clean it is, and then you can also get notifications if you are getting a lot of activity on a link or a link breaks, which is really helpful. So once you log in, you will see a dashboard and you can create a new project. You can create folders, which means that any of your links can end in folders, and instead of having very long links, you can have nice short links. So create a new project. I'm going to put in a link to my website just for the sake of this activity to show you. Actually, I'll put it in my YouTube website. Let's do that. This is a video on YouTube that I've created. And you put in whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call this YouTube Thrive Cart. And save. And now you have a link for YouTube Thrive Cart. You can share it on any of these, and you also can have a QR code. One of the great things about this particular one, let me show you in just a second. You can edit and change it. And down the bottom here, you can get a SMS or email when links buzz or when you're getting an error return, which is really great. You can also target different countries and locations, and you can select a folder to save it into. So that's it. That's the end of the review. I have absolutely no negative comments about this software. I have been so extraordinarily happy with it. It has tidied up all my links, and I'm constantly emailing people providing information. It makes it look so much neater, and also it tracks on how many clicks I'm getting to those links. So I hope you found this useful. Give it a go today. Try the link below that I have included so you can get this lifetime deal. Have a great day.